Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear market equilibrium with the help of schedule and diagram. So do subscribe my channel to see more important videos related to market equilibrium. Now let us assume a market situation in which buyers and sellers are there and they are demanding and supplying commodities because they are the opposite forces in the market. So let us explain the concept with the help of a schedule and a diagram. Here prices are given in the market. Let us see which will be the equilibrium price at which buyers are ready to buy and sellers are ready to sell their product at a common price and common quantity can be purchased or sale in the market. So this is a situation of market demand and market supply. Then equilibrium level. So these are the 5 levels of different prices are given. At the rate of 1 rupee, 50 kilogram commodity was demanded. As well as price increases, demand diminishes. And as well as price increases, supply increases in the economy. So we have determined equilibrium price as rupees 3 because on this price market demand is equal to market supply. This is the equilibrium level or market equilibrium, and before this equilibrium price there will be a situation of excess demand, and beyond this equilibrium price there will be a situation of excess supply in the market. And now let us explain the concept with the help of a diagram. Also, quantity demanded and supplied are taken on x-axis, rather prices are taken on y-axis. Prices 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quantity. And now let us draw first of all demand curve. At the rate of 1 rupee, demand is just for 50 kilograms. At the rate of 2 rupees, demand 4 kilograms. At the rate of 3, demand 30. At the rate of 4 rupees, demand is just for 20 units. At the rate of 5 rupees, demand is 10 kilograms. So left to right downward sloping, this is DD demand curve. Now let us draw a supply curve. At the rate of 1 rupee, supply is 10. At the rate of 2, supply 20, 30, then it is 40, and last one is 50. While joining all these points, SS supply curve moves left to right, upward sloping. This is SS supply curve. So the consumer's wish can be determined by demand curve and the producer's wish can be determined by supply curve. So the intersection point where the DD demand curve or SS supply curve intersect each other, that is equilibrium point. And as well as we joined this equilibrium point towards y-axis, we obtain equilibrium price. And as well as we joined this equilibrium point towards y-axis, then we obtain equilibrium quantity. So 30 is the equilibrium quantity and 3 is the equilibrium price. Now let us see what happens if price exceeds from equilibrium price. then there will be a situation of, this is a situation of excess supply in the economy, because here demand is less than supply or supply is greater than demand. Now how we can remove the situation of excess supply from the economy? As well as we extends demand and we contracts supply, we can again achieve the situation of market equilibrium. And similarly, what happens if market equilibrium will be below than equilibrium price? Then there will be a situation of excess demand in the economy. Excess demand means when demand is more than supply or when supply is less than demand. So how we can remove the situation of excess demand from the economy? As well as we can extend the supply and we can contract the demand. Again market equilibrium can be achieved. We can draw these diagrams of excess demand and excess supply separately also. So this is the market equilibrium price, ये equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity, OP is the equilibrium price, OQ is the equilibrium quantity. So if price exceeds equilibrium price, this will create a situation of excess supply in the economy. Excess supply, and second diagram is related to excess demand. If prices go beyond the equilibrium price, then there will be a situation of excess demand from A to B. So in this way we can draw the situation of excess demand and excess supply separately. So that's all regarding this topic. If we want to write the theory or explanation of this diagram, then we can say, number 1, DD demand curve and SS supply curve intersect each other on point E. Number 2, E is equal to equilibrium point. Number 3, OP is equal to equilibrium price. Number 4, OQ is equal to equilibrium quantity. So that's all regarding the topic. Thank you.